Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Sudhir's classes. We are starting anthropology optional batch for 2022-23 from 5th of April 2021, right. So probably by the time government will allow the offline classes, and there is a fair chance by that time, okay. If not, then we will continue that class in live online mode. So what are the course details that we will start from 5th of April 2021? The first thing, my focus will be on conceptual clarity, see, given the present trend in UPSC CSC, we know that this time there were some analytical questions. There were some analytical questions, very fundamental topics, very fundamental concepts. Those who do not understand them, they could not answer those questions. For example, Sapir-Whorf hypothesis, there is another question, Natufian culture. So, if you have not prepared your optional properly with conceptual clarity, you might face difficulties, right. So, my first focus will be on conceptual clarity. Then not only this, other than conceptual clarity, I will give you classroom dictation, right. हर एक चीज का मैं डिक्टेट करूंगा नोट्स, as well as you will get printed notes for each and every topic. For each and every topic you will get printed notes. Other than that, I will provide you daily assignment, and you will get model answers for those daily assignments on a daily basis, so that your entire circle, your entire cycle is complete, that you have conceptual clarity, you have made your own notes, and on the basis of those notes you write an answer, and that answer will be enriched using a model answer that will be given to you on a daily basis. Other than that, you will be enrolled simultaneously on a daily answer writing batch. Daily answer writing, and for this daily answer writing also you will get model answers, classroom discussion, and personal feedback from me, right. Other than this, I will be giving you a test series which will contain unit wise tests, sectional tests, that means a portion of syllabus will be given in that sectional test, as well as full length test. So, in this program you will have complete assistance till your examination for 2022 or 23. You will get personalized mentorship by me, right. So, if you want to excel your anthropology optional as per the present trends, right, you can join our optional program which is starting from 5th of April. Thank you.